Good evening, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's start today's session. In this session, we will solve your third worksheet, that is exercise 11C. In the previous session, we have solved the second exercise, and already two lectures regarding this chapter were uploaded. So today's session, it is time to solve your third exercise. So let's start solving. First question number 1. Question number 1 says rupees 120 is to be divided between Hari and Gopi in the ratio 5:3. How much does each get? That means there are two persons, Hari and Gopi, and rupees 120 is to be divided between them in the ratio 5:3. That means if Hari get 5 rupees, then Gopi will get 3 rupees. So that the ratio is 5:3 between them. So how much amount of money Hari and Gopi will receive? So sum of money is rupees 120. Let's write first sum equal to rupees 120. Given ratio is 5:3. Given ratio equal to 5:3. So the rule is that the first name is Hari. So therefore here the first number is 5. Therefore Hari will receive 5 rupees. If Hari receive 5 rupees, then Gopi will receive 3 rupees. The first name is Hari. Here in the ratio the first number is 5. Therefore Hari will receive 5 rupees. If Hari receive 5 rupees, then Gopi will receive 3 rupees. Gopi is the second name and the 3 is in the second number. Therefore Gopi will receive 3 rupees. So the rule is that if you want to find the amount of money each of them will receive, so at first Hari gets how much money? See, Hari receive 5 rupees, so 5 will your numerator, then just add the 2, that is 5 plus 3, Hari plus Gopi, into rupees 120, because 120 is the sum of the money. So the rule is if Hari get 5 rupees, then Gopi will get 3 rupees. So if you want to calculate the amount of money Hari receives, so Hari get 5 rupees, so 5 will be in the numerator form, and in the denominator just add the 2. That means Hari plus Gopi, 5 plus 3 into 120, because sum 120 is given. Now calculate 5 by 8 into 120, rupees 120, rupees 120, or you can write rupees here also, rupees. So reduce 15, so he will get 75 rupees. Clear? Hari receives 75 rupees. In the same way, Gopi gets now Gopi get 3 rupees. Therefore 3 will be your numerator, and in the denominator same 5 plus 3 into 120. Clear? So 3 by 8 into 120, 8 15s are 120 and 3 15s are 45. So Gopi will get 45 rupees. Clear? So the question is solved. Next question number 3. Question number 3 is divide 81 into 3 parts into 2:3:4. So there is a number 81 and we have to divide 81 into 3 parts in the ratio 2:3:4. Therefore given ratio equal to 2:3:4. Clear? Therefore we have to divide 81 into 2:3:4 into 3 parts. So the first part rule is same. The first part is 2, second part is 3, third part is 4. Clear? So first part will be 2 divided by 2 plus 3 plus 4 into 81. Because the first part is 2, therefore numerator will be 2, and in the denominator just add the 3 terms and multiply with the given number. Given number is 81, so multiply. Therefore 2 divided by 9 into 81. So 9 9s are 81, 2 9s are 18. First part is your 18. Second part, this is the first part, second part, second part it is 3, therefore 3 will be your numerator, and in the denominator the same, just add the 3 numbers into 81, therefore 3 by 9 into 81, 27. Clear? Third part it is 4 here, so 4 will be in the numerator, and in the denominator the same, 2 plus 3 plus 4 into 81, therefore 4 by 9 into 81, 9 9s are 81 and 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36. So first part is 18, second part is 27, third part is 36. Next question number 5. Question number 5 says a profit of rupees 2500 is to be shared among 3 persons in the ratio 6:9:10. How much does each person get? So this question is also similar like previous 2 questions. Here profit is given and 3 persons, their name is not given, just 3 persons ratio is given, what ratio the profit is to be divided, and we have to find out the amount of money each person will get. So profit is given rupees 2500, so profit is rupees 2500, and 3 persons given in the ratio 6:9:10, therefore ratio equal to 6:9:10. Clear? So suppose the first person receive 6 rupees, then second person will receive 9 rupees, third person will receive 10 rupees. Clear? In the same way, first person receive if 6 rupees, then second person will receive 9 rupees, the third person will receive 10 rupees. So how much does each person get? So first person will get 6 rupees, therefore 6 will be your numerator, divided by, add these 3, 6 plus 9 plus 10, that means the sum of the ratios. Here you can write also sum of ratios 6 plus 9 plus 10, therefore it will be 25. Clear? If you write sum of ratios here, don't write 6 plus 9 plus 10, directly you can write 25 because you have already added the ratios, therefore no need to write 6 plus 9 plus 10 here, just add these ratios and put this in this denominator. Into profit is given 2500, therefore reduce, the first person will receive 600 rupees. Clear? First person will receive 600 rupees. In the same way we will have second person will get, now second person will get 9 rupees, therefore 9 will be your numerator, and divided by the sum of the ratios is rupees 25, so 25 into 2500 rupees, therefore 900 rupees, second person will get 900 rupees. In the same way third person will get, now third person will get 10 rupees, therefore 10 your numerator, divided by sum of the ratios which is 25 into 2500, reduce, therefore 1000, third person will receive 1000 rupees. Clear? So in this way we will solve this type of questions. Next question number 7. Question number 7 is it gives the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:2:4. If the perimeter of the triangle is 27 centimeter, find the length of each side. Therefore, sides are given, the ratio of the sides are given, and the perimeter of the triangle is given. So what is the formula of a perimeter of a triangle? The formula to find out the perimeter of a triangle is just add the three sides. Just add the length of the three sides. If you add the length of the three sides of a triangle, you will get your perimeter. Clear? So perimeter is given, the ratio of sides are given. We have to find out the length of each side. So ratio of sides given as 3:2:4. Ratio of sides given as 3:2:4. So find first the sum of the ratio of the sides. Find sum of ratio of sides, that is 3 plus 2 plus 4, that is 9. Now perimeter is given 27 centimeter. Perimeter given 27 centimeter. Now we have to find out the length of each side. Therefore, length of sides are. So if 3 is the first side, 2 will be the second side, 4 will be your third side. That means in a triangle, suppose the first side is 3 centimeter, then second side will be 2 centimeter, third side will be 4 centimeter. Clear? So what is the length of first side? Just write here length of first side. Length of first side. So first side is 3 centimeter. So 3 will be your numerator divided by the sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio is 9. 9 into 27, because perimeter is given 27. It will be in centimeter because unit is given centimeter. 9 3s are 27. So 3 3s are 9. Therefore length of first side comes out to be 9 centimeter. In the same way we will have second side and third side also. Therefore length of second side. Now length of second side is 2 centimeter. So 2 will be your numerator divided by sum of the ratios into 27. So 3 2s are 6 centimeter. Now length of third side. Length of third side is given 4 centimeter. So 4 divided by sum of the ratio, that is 9 into 27. Perimeter given 27 centimeter. 9 3s are 27. So 4 3s are 12 centimeter is the third side. Clear? Next. Next question, question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8 given an alloy of zinc and copper weighs 12.5 kg. If in the alloy the ratio of zinc and copper is 1:4, find the weight of copper in it. So we have an alloy. Alloy means the mixture of more than one metal. The mixture of more than one metal is your alloy. So in this alloy there are two metals, zinc and copper, which weighs 12.5 kg or 12.5 kg. In the alloy, ratio of zinc and copper is given 1:4. That means if zinc is 1 kg, then copper will be 4 kg, like this. Clear? I am talking about kg unit because here the unit is given kg, that's why. So if zinc is your 1 kg, then copper will be 4 kg in that alloy. Clear? So we have to find out the weight of copper. So first, alloy weighs 12.5 kg. So just write weight of alloy equal to 12.5 kg. Just break this, 25 by 2 kg. That means it will be 12.5 kg. Clear? Next, ratio of zinc and copper is given 1:4. So ratio of zinc and copper equal to 1:4. So find out sum of the ratios. Therefore sum of ratios equal to 1 plus 4, that is 5. Now we have to find out only the weight of copper. We don't want to calculate the weight of zinc because the question is not asked. The question only says find out the weight of copper. That's why we will only find the weight of copper, not zinc. So weight of copper will be weight of copper. Now say ratio zinc and copper 1. So if zinc is 1 kg, copper will be 4 kg. So we need only the weight of copper. So copper is 4, therefore 4 will be your numerator. Divided by sum of ratios. Sum of ratios is 5. So it will be 5 into the weight of alloy given 12.5. So it will be 12.5. Clear? Now calculate. So 4 by 5 you can write like this, 125 by 10, because just omit the decimal. So you will have 10 in the denominator. Now reduce 5 25s are 125, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So it is 10. Therefore weight of copper is 10 kg. Clear? This is your answer. Weight of copper is 10 kg. Next last problem of this session, question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10 says Mr. Gupta divides 81,000 rupees among his 3 children, Ashok, Mohit and Geeta, in such a way that Ashok gets 4 times what Mohit gets and Mohit gets 2.5 times what Geeta gets. Find the share of each of them. So it's very interesting question. Read again. Mr. Gupta divides 81,000 rupees. He has 3 children named Ashok, Mohit and Geeta in such a way that if Ashok gets 4 times what Mohit gets, that means if Mohit gets 1 rupees, Ashok will get 4 times of Mohit. That means Ashok will receive 4 rupees. And Mohit gets 2.5 times what Geeta gets. That means if Geeta gets rupees 1, suppose, so Mohit will get 2.5 times of 1. That means 2.5 into 1. That means 2.5 rupees. Like this. So in this way, if the division is like this, we have to find out the share of each of them. So like see, first we will assume that Geeta gets rupees 1. Let's us assume that Geeta gets rupees 1. If Geeta gets rupees 1, then Mohit gets 2.5 times of Geeta. That means Mohit will receive 2.5 into 1. That means 2.5 rupees. Clear? So we will first assume here that Geeta gets rupees 1. This question is actually can be solved in 2 ways. First way, assume that Geeta gets rupees 1. That is the first approach, first method. Alternate method is just assume Geeta gets rupees X. Clear? So this question can be solved using assuming rupees 1 of Geeta, or you can also do this sum assuming rupees X of Geeta in any one method. Clear? So first assume that Geeta gets rupees 1. Let us assume, let Geeta gets rupees 1. So if Geeta gets rupees 1, read the last line, Mohit gets 2.5 times what Geeta gets. That means Mohit will receive 2.5 times of 1. So Mohit will get, therefore Mohit gets rupees 1 into 2.5. That means rupees 2.5, Mohit will get 2.5 rupees. Clear? Mohit. Now read this line that Ashok gets 4 times what Mohit gets. That means if Mohit gets 2.5 rupees, Ashok will get 4 times of 2.5. Therefore Ashok will receive, therefore Ashok gets 4 times of Mohit, that is 4 into 2.5, which will be 10 rupees. Therefore we have Ashok, Mohit and Geeta. Geeta gets rupees 1, Mohit gets rupees 2.5, Ashok gets rupees 10. Clear? And now ratio of Ashok, Mohit and Geeta. Find out the ratio of Ashok, Mohit and Geeta. So ratio of and just find write like this, ratio of Ashok, Mohit and Geeta. So Ashok get 10 rupees, 10. Mohit 2.5 and Geeta 1. Clear. Now find sum of the ratios. Sum of ratios equal to 10 plus 2.5 plus 1 equal to 13.5. Clear. Now we will find the share of each of them. So Mr. Gupta divides 81,000 rupees among his 3 children. Therefore, amount of money given as rupees 81,000, and we have to divide this 81,000. So let's erase this portion because space is not sufficient to solve. Okay, so amount given 81,000 rupees. Now we have to divide this amount in between Ashok, Mohit and Geeta in this ratio. So Ashok gets. Now see Ashok, Mohit and Geeta. So Ashok, if Ashok receive 10 rupees, Mohit will receive 2.5 and Geeta will receive rupees 1 in this way. So Ashok gets 10 rupees. So 10 will be your numerator, divided by sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio is 13.5. So divide by 13.5 and 81,000 rupees is to be divided. Therefore multiply it with 81,000. Put rupees sign here. Now solve. Therefore just omit decimal and put 0 here. If you omit decimal, here it will be 10. Now reduce. 5 27s are 135, 5 20s are 100. Now divide 27 with 81,000 directly. It will be 3,000. Therefore your answer will be 3 2s are 6, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 60,000 rupees. Ashok will get 60,000 rupees. Clear. Next, Mohit gets, so Mohit 2.5. So numerator 2.5 divided by sum of ratio is 13.5 into amount given 81,000. Put a rupees sign here, rupees. Now put decimal, omit decimal. So it will be 25. It will be 135 into 81,000. It will be 0 here, 10 will be here. If you omit decimal, omit this decimal, so 10 will be here. If you omit this decimal, 10 will be here, and consequently 00 will reduce. Now divide by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 27, 135. Again directly 27. This will be 3,000. So 3,000 into 5, that means 15,000. So he will receive 15,000 rupees. Mohit will receive 15,000 rupees and Ashok receives 60,000 rupees. And the remaining amount will be received by Geeta. So find the amount of Geeta, amount of money Geeta receives. So write here, Geeta gets. Now Geeta 1, so it will be 1 here. Divided by sum of ratio 13.5 into 81,000 and put rupees sign here. Omit decimal, it will be 10 divided by 135 into 81,000. 5 2s are 10, 5 27, 27, 3,000. So he will receive 6,000 rupees. He will receive 6,000 rupees. So final answer is Ashok gets 60,000 rupees, Mohit gets 15,000 rupees and Geeta gets 6,000 rupees. Total 81,000 rupees. Clear? So the question solved, and in this exercise is solved. Thank you.